guys, so this is part 3 of this giveaway. So if you guys understood what's going on, all you got to do is go to Steve and Marco's What's in the Box live video and drop some comments over there and figure out and tell us what you guys would like to do with all the cool boxes and things, all the parts that Steve has displayed during that live stream. And again, as I said, the 3 top comments will receive prizes. 3rd place, as I said before, is going to be this plane. 2nd place is going to be this awesome red little drone. And 1st place is going to be my very first FPV drone that was stable enough to do like roof inspections and stuff like that. But anyway, very cool stuff. Hopefully you guys enjoy it too. And although they're not new, secondhand, but they've all been proof tested by me, so you know they work. Thanks for watching.
Likey